Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of those little Google Sheets mysteries that can really trip you up if you don't know the trick, and that's filtering merged cells. If you've ever tried to filter a column only to realize the merged cells mess up your results or seem impossible to filter, this video is going to help you sort it out. By the end, you'll understand exactly how to use filters with merged cells and why Google Sheets behaves the way it does with this kind of formatting. All right, let's jump right in. First things first, head over to your Google Sheet where your data lives. If your data isn't already organized with filters, you'll want to set that up before we do anything else. Just in case you're new to that, click anywhere inside your data range, go up to the toolbar and hit that little filter icon. It looks like a funnel. This puts those handy filter drop-down menus at the top of each column. Filters are essential because they let you sift through your data, zeroing in on exactly what you want to see and hiding the rest. Think of them like invisible strainers for your information, super useful, especially as your spreadsheet grows. Now you might already have a filter applied, and if so, you're good to go. If not, set one up now. Next, take a look at your merged cells. Usually these show up when you've combined, say, category headers or grouped some information to make the sheet easier to read. Here, where things get a little quirky. When you apply filters to columns that have merged cells, Google Sheets doesn't recognize the empty cells underneath the merged header as separate entries. This means that when you use a regular filter, it might look as though nothing is actually there to filter. That confuses a lot of people. But here, the workaround, instead of filtering by values, try filtering by color. You'll notice a filter option that says Filter by Color. Click on the filter icon for the column you're working with, then hover down until you see Filter by Color and select it. Let's say, for example, your merged cells, your category headers, are filled with yellow. Go ahead and choose yellow as your filter color. Now, even though it looks like there's nothing beneath those merged headers, Sheets will filter out and show only the rows with yellow backgrounds, in other words, those merged header cells. The rest of the rows will temporarily disappear from view, letting you focus just on those grouped sections. It's a little like shining a flashlight just on the main topic titles in a book, so you can quickly flip to the sections you need. If you want to see everything except those merged headers, it's a similar process. Just go back to the filter again, choose Filter by Color, but this time pick white or whatever the background color is for the rest of your cells. You'll notice that, once again, Sheets handles this even if those cells technically don't have individual data entries below the merged headers. This is a really handy trick if you want to hide big merged sections temporarily and focus on just your detailed data. Don't worry if this feels a little weird at first. Google Sheets' behavior around merged cells and filters can be confusing, and you're definitely not alone in struggling with this. Give it a try, and with a little practice, you'll get the hang of it. Remember, using Filter by Color is a clever way to work around the usual merged cell limitations. And that's it. Now you know how to filter merged cells in Google Sheets using the Filter by Color feature. If this tutorial helped you out, be sure to hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's a Sheets problem you'd like me to tackle next. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching and happy spreadsheeting.